Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second, semester second book. So revision, we are doing now revision number 5th. Revision 5th. Self-help is the best help. Page number 27. Lesson number 12. Self-help is the best help. So, here we will see Arvind was a farmer. Okay, Arvind was a farmer. It was late evening. It was late in the evening. He was returning home from the market in his bullock cart. Bullock cart means bail gadi. Okay. The cart had a heavy load on it. It has bags of grains. The bullock cart was heavy because it has bags of grains. Suddenly, what happened, do you know? It began to rain heavily. The wheels of the cart got stuck in the soft, wet mud. The cart would not move. And what happened? As he was returning from home, it was evening. It started a heavy rain. The wheels of the cart got stuck in the soft mud. Then Arvind was very upset. Now what to do? He was scared because it was getting dark. He was getting scared because it was getting dark. Then he began to cry loudly. He started crying loudly. Oh dear, he is calling for God. What shall I do? Now what I will do? Who will help me? Please God, come and help me. He is saying, God, please help me. Now I can't do. He started crying very painfully, very badly he was crying. He shouted many times for help. But he did not make an effort to push the wheel out from the mud. After some time, a stranger came up to him. He was trying a lot to remove the wheel from the mud, but it was not possible for him. Then after some time, a person appeared there. He came there. The stranger said, "Why do you cry? Why are you crying? God will not help you if you simply cry and do nothing." The farmer said, "My friend, I do not know what to do." That stranger, what is saying, if you are simply standing and crying here, what will happen? God will not come down and He will help you. So, you do something. I am not understanding what to do. The stranger said, "Come on, let us push the wheel. Let us push the wheel. We will push." You can see the picture. In the picture, see how they are pushing, both of them, how they are lifting the wheel. Okay. The farmer agreed. He said, okay. They began to push. Soon the cart wheels came out from the wet mud. From the wet mud, the wheel came out. Arvind was very happy now. Arvind was happy. He thanked the stranger. He said, "I will always remember your good advice." What was he given the advice? Simply don't sit and cry. God is not going to do you anything. You have to do your own work. You should think now. You should think what to be done at this moment when I am in trouble. We have to try to do our own things. This he wanted to say like that. Okay, now let's see the exercise 28, page number, question and answers. No, exercise, page number 28, fill in the blanks. Question and answers I'll give later. Arvind was a farmer. The cart had a heavy load. It began to rain heavily. The stranger helped Arvind. The cart got stuck in the soft, wet mud. The cart got stuck in the soft, wet mud. Answer the following questions. Now we will see the question and answers. Answer the following question. Where was Arvind returning? Where was Seer? Answer the following question. Where was Arvind returning? Arvind was returning home from the market in his bullock cart. Arvind was returning home from the market in his bullock cart. What was there on the cart? There were heavy bags of grains in the cart. There were heavy bags of grains in the cart. How did the stranger help Arvind? The stranger told Arvind not to sit and cry, but to get up and push the wheel. The stranger told Arvind not to sit and cry, but to get up and push the wheel. What advice did the stranger give Arvind? The stranger told Arvind that God helps those who help themselves by making an effort. By making an effort. What the strangers give advice to the Arvind? Advice to Arvind? The stranger told Arvind that God helps those who help themselves by making an effort. What is the moral of the story? Self-help is the best help. Means one must make an effort to solve problems. हमें काम नहीं, वो आता ही नहीं ऐसा बोलकर छोड़ नहीं देना चाहिए. हमें ट्राई करना चाहिए. Okay? Yes. Now fill in the blanks. Yes, fill in the blanks exercise. We have completed fill in the blanks exercise. Then answer the following question. Now we have completed the question answers also. Now activity language development. Write 5 sentences using any 5 compound words you have written on the previous page. A postman brings letter. A postman brings letter. A honeybee collects nectar from the flowers. A sunflower is big and yellow in color. We must walk on the footpath. We must walk on the footpath. Do not allow a housefly to sit on food. Do not allow a housefly to sit on food. Page number 28 is completed. Now 29. 29. What is this? Select one word from each group. Join them to make a new compound word. Write it next to the correct picture. House, honey, food, cozy, then cup, pine, drum, farm, post, sun. Here path, bee, flyman, berry, stick, apple, house, board and flower. Gozi is also there. Okay. So then, pineapple, cupboard, housefly, postman, farmhouse, drumstick, honeybee, sunflower, gooseberry, footpath. Then page number 30. What will you need to do the following things? Give 4 examples for each. Give 4 examples for each. To buy things from the market. To buy things from the market. Bag, vegetables, money, fruits. To cook food. pots and pans, griddle gas, stove raw food items. To write a letter, notepad, an envelope, a pen, a postal stamp, writing pad. To play cricket, bat, stumps, ball, ground. To go out when it is raining, umbrella, gumboots, raincoat, rain cap. Okay, writing skill. Narrate any story in the class. Activity grammar preposition. Read and remember. Preposition are words that show position, location, time and direction. Prepositions that show location. Then Shania and Samir. Shania and Samir are searching for their pet, Tinky. It is a little pup. Fill in the blanks with words that show where Tinky is. On, behind, over, near, in front of, in, under, inside, between, on top of. Tinky is in the basket. Tinky is inside the garbage bin. Tinky is behind the house. Tinky is under the shade. Tinky is between the shade and the tree. Tinky is in front of the house. Tinky is in front of the house. Page number 32. 32. Tinky is jumping over the chair. Tinky is on the top of the roof of the house. Preposition that shows time and direction. Choose the correct preposition from the box below and fill in the blanks. From, in, after, to, near, at, on, through, for, into, for. A trip to Ooty. See here. Our school planned a trip to Ooty on May 2nd, 2014. Full stop. Our bus passed through many tunnels. We reached Ooty at 2 o'clock. We stayed in the Grand Chariot Hotel for 8 days. This hotel was near the main market. We saw many children from different parts of India. Our teachers organized a campfire after dinner. We visited many places that were far from our hotel. We returned to Bangalore with sweet memories. See here. Challenge. Write 5 sentences using different prepositions in your notebook. So, see here. Okay. Write 5 sentences using different prepositions in your notebook. My father went to work. 2. He travelled by a bus. Underline by. He reached his office before his boss. Before. He settled in his chair. In. His office is 2 kilometers away from our house. From. Okay. 12 lesson we have completed. For revision, now we will start with the 13th lesson, that is the fisherman and the golden fish. The fisherman and the golden fish. Fisherman is that person who catch fish in the sea. So, Vanju was a fisherman. He lived with his wife Vanita in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. So, what he used to do, he was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut, in a small hut. He used to go to the sea every day to catch fish. One day he got a big catch, means he caught a big fish. One day he saw a big golden fish in the net. He took the fish out of the net. One day what happened? As daily he go to the sea to catch fish. One day he caught a big catch. Big catch, what it was? It was a golden fish. It was a golden fish. He took the fish out of the net. From the net he removed fish. Oh fisherman, please let me go. The fish is surprised, means what? The fish said, oh fisherman, please let me go. Don't take me. Don't sell me. That fish is requesting. Vanju, oh no, I cannot believe it. The fish is talking to me. How can I let you go? I do not have any other catch. I have not caught any other fish today. So how can I leave you? Fish, I will give you a gold coin. You can buy food for you and for your wife. So you please don't do anything with me. I will give you some money. With that what you can do? You can buy some food for you and your family, for your wife. Vanju, thank you. You are a kind fish. Arey, fish, you are so kind. You are helping me. Fish, thank you. Oh fisherman. Fisherman also was a kind person. Kind person. You are very kind. I will grant you 2 wishes. You can ask my favor any time. Now if you let me go back to the sea, what I will do you? I will grant you 2 wish. 2 wish I will give for you. 2 things I will give for you, which will be sufficient for you to live and your wife. The golden fish went back to the sea. Vanju went to the market. He bought vegetable and other things with that gold coin. With that gold coin, what Vanju did, he went to the market and he purchased what he required. He went home and gave the bag to his wife, Vanita. The Vanita is the name of the fisherman's wife. She was surprised to see the bag. Vanita, did you get a big fish? She is asking now. Vanju, I got a golden fish in the net. She was surprised. She was a magic fish. She gave me 1 gold coin. What Vanju said, I got a goldfish. She was a magic fish. Vanita, where is the coin? Where is the coin? She is asking. Vanju, I bought things for you with that coin. With that coin, I bought things for you. Vanju told wife about the wishes. About what wish was given by the fish, no? He went and told his wife. Vanita, what was a lazy woman. She was a lazy woman. She don't want to do any work and all. She did not like to work. She scolded Vanju for allowing the fish to go. Why you allowed the fish to go? This fisherman's wife was scolding to him. Vanita, go back to the sea and ask the fish to grant you a wish. I want a big house with a garden. I want a big house with a garden. You go and tell. I want a house. Then Vanju went back to the sea. He called out to the golden fish. Vanju, oh kind golden fish, please grant me a wish. The fish popped up its head out of the blue sea. It came up when the Vanju called, oh kind golden fish, please grant me my wish. Then fish, what he said? What is your wish? Vanju, I want a big house with a garden for my wife. I don't want anything. I want for my wife. Fish, your wish is granted. Fish says, yes, I will give you. Vanju, thank you, dear fish. Vanju went back home. He saw a big house with a garden. Vanita was very happy, but she was greedy woman. After a few days, she ordered her husband to go back to the fish. She wanted to be a queen. Now, house was whatever first wish was there, it was fulfilled. Now, second time, what happened? This fellow fisherman's wife, Vanita, was very lazy and greedy woman. She had, but again, she required something different. She wanted to be a queen for the second wish. Vanju went back to the sea. He called out to the golden fish, Vanju, oh kind golden fish, please grant me a wish. The fish appeared from the fish, big waves. The fish appeared from the big waves. From a big waves, it appeared. Wish. What is your wish? What is your wish? Vanju, my wife wants to be a queen. My wife wants to be a queen. You can see no here. See. She is in a dress, in a queen's dress. Then fish. Your wish is granted. Yes, whatever you ask, you will be granted. When Vanju returned home, he saw a big castle with a big, beautiful garden. He saw his wife sitting on a throne made up of gold and diamond. He had a crown on her head. When he returned home, what he saw? A big castle, big महल की तरह बड़ा सा घर with a beautiful garden. He saw his wife sitting on a throne. Chair, see, this is a big chair, throne, this is called, where Raja, Maharajas are sitting with a gold. It is made up of gold, gold and diamonds. She had a crown also, see here. Mukut, Crete. She had a crown on her head. But it is rightly said that there is no end to one's greed. हग्गुरे जो रहते हैं ना, जो ग्रीडी रहते हैं, उनका विश कभी पूरा नहीं होता. Vanita was not satisfied. She was not satisfied now with this also. Now what she did, see here. Now she wanted the golden fish to be her slave. उसको अभी जो फिश था उसको उसका स्लेव बनाना था. स्लेव यानी उसका नौकर. She asked Vanju to go to the sea again. Vanju, what do you want now? Vanju is saying his wife, Are, whatever you wanted, everything you have got. Now what again you are demanding? We have everything. We have enough money to lead a happy life. So to live a happy life, we have everything. Now we don't want anything. Go and get the golden fish. I want her to be my slave, the fish. Then what happened, you know? As soon as she spoke these words, there was a storm in the sea. भयानक सा तूफान आया बड़ा सा. It took away everything. Dhudul, dhum, some sound appeared and the storm, big storm appeared. When the storm calmed down, what happened? The husband and wife saw themselves in their little hut again. जब सब तूफान खत्म हो गया, when she spoke that the fish should be my slave, no, everything, a big storm appeared and everything was destroyed, and they came to the jhopdi, to the hut once again to the hut they came. Okay, now page number 35 exercise. The correct statements and correct the correct statements and wrong the wrong ones. The golden fish was a magic fish. Correct. Vanita was a lazy woman. Correct. The fisherman was kind-hearted. Correct. The fish granted 3 wishes? No, wrong. 3 wishes was not given. Only 2 wishes was given. Vanita wanted the golden fish to be her slave. Correct. Then, match the pairs in column A with their meanings in column B. Write the answer in the given space. Castle, yes. Castle, a big house for the king and the queen. Castle. Big catch means what? Many fish caught in the net. Big catch. Enough, enough, as much as required. Throne, chair for the king or the queen. Greedy, a person who wants more money or things. Appear, one can see or invisible. One can see or visible. Visible. Okay. Who said these words and to whom? Oh, fisherman, let me go. Oh, fisherman, let me go. The golden fish said these words to Vanju, the fisherman. Did you get a big catch? Vanita, the fisherman's wife, asked this to Vanju, her husband. Sivan, I bought things for you with that coin. I bought things for you with that coin. Vanju, the fisherman, told this to his wife Vanita. To his wife Vanita. Yes. Can you see, no? Okay. Now the question answers. Answer the following questions. Yes. Who was Vanju? Vanju was a simple, kind-hearted fisherman. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. Where did Vanju live? Vanju lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. What did Vanju see in his net? One day, Vanju got a big catch. He saw a golden fish in his net. Why was Vanita angry? Vanita was angry because Vanju allowed the golden fish to go back in the sea. What was the throne made of? The throne was made of gold and diamonds. What 3 wishes were made by Vanita? The 3 wishes made by Vanita, they are: in her first wish, Vanita wanted a big house with a garden. Her second wish was to be a queen. And in her third wish, she wanted the golden fish to be her slave. Then, what did she get for her third wish? Seer. As soon as she thought of making golden fish her slave, there was a big storm in the sea, and it took away everything. Finally, they got back their original hut. What lesson do you learn from this story, children? One must not be greedy. We should feel happy with whatever we have. Okay? Have you understood, no? Now, activity, language development. Change the underlined letter by any other letter to make a meaningful word from the story. Nut, hut. Life, wife. Brown, crown. Sea. King, kind. Went, want. Catch, match, catch. Where, there. Way, say. Now, select second one. Select the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Arjun has enough money to pay his school fees. Catch, enough. Throne, diamond, storm. Kate's necklace has many diamonds. The king of Magad had a big throne. The fisherman sold his catch in the market. There was a storm before it rained. Use the third one. Use the following adjectives to make sentences of your own kind. Our class teacher, Mrs. Swati, is very kind to us. Cruel. Do not be cruel to animals. Greed. We must buy things as per our needs and not for greed. Hardworking. My father is very hardworking. Lazy. Tarun is a lazy boy. Happy. Tanya is a happy girl. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct key from words. Complete the story. Keyboards. Bridge, friends, greedy, reflection, food, share, whole, small, bone, stream, baking, fell, walked. Okay, a greedy dog. Spotty and Fulfi were two dogs. They were friends. Fulfi was a happy dog. Spotty was a greedy dog. It always wanted more food. One day, the Fulfi found a bone. He gave half of the bone to Spotty. Spotty happily ate it. The next day, Spotty found a big bone. He did not want to share it with his friends. Slowly, he walked away to that he could eat the whole bone himself. He reached a small stream. He started walking on a small bridge on the stream. Suddenly he stopped. He saw another dog with a bone in the stream. He wanted to have that bone too. He started barking at the other dog. As he opened his mouth, the bone in his mouth fell into the stream. Spotty lost his big bone. There was no dog in the stream. It was his own reflection. Read and learn the above story. Read and learn the above story. Have you got it now? The words are filled, that is, fill in the blanks. Read and learn the story above. Then, activity grammar opposites. Read activity grammar opposites. See here. Read and remember. Opposites are word pairs that are totally different in meaning. Observe the picture. Select the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. A log of wood is here. Heavy, light, old, young they have given. We have tried. A log of wood is heavy. A pencil is light. A pencil is light. See here. This is a boy and this is a young boy. This is old. How you will write? Tarun is a young boy. Grandfather is an old man. Grandfather is an old man. Now here, C1. A, B is completed. C1. Mr. Kamath is a tall man. Mr. Deepak is a short man. Short, tall they have given. Then, Mr. Vyas is a man. Mr. Vyas is a man. Mrs. Vyas is a woman. With the help of this picture, you can see the words over here and write. Used unscrabbled and write the words opposite in meaning to the given words. Clean, dirty, sit, stand, day, night, inside, outside, good, bad, empty, full, hot, cold, dry, wet. This is unscrabble word. This is unscrabbles here. YRITD is given now. Dirty, DIRTY. This way you have to write. Complete each sentence with the opposites of the underlined word. Sania, Sana, okay, Sana. Sana wanted to be happy, but she is unhappy. Okay. Sunil wants a soft towel, but the towel is rough. Tanu wants a new doll, but she gets an old one. Okay. Write the opposites. Write the opposites of the following words. Buy, sell. Pretty, ugly. Front, back. Thick, thin. Last, first. Hot, cold. Tall, short. Laugh, cry. Friend, enemy. Cloudy, sunny. Challenge. Observe the pictures. Write 3 sentences using pair of opposite words. Coconut tree, banyan tree. See here. Coconut tree, banyan tree. Okay, see here. Observe the pictures. Write 3 sentences using pair of opposite words in your notebook. A banyan tree is short. But the coconut tree is tall. The leaves of a banyan tree are small, but that of coconut trees are big. The trunk of a banyan tree is thick, but that of a coconut tree is thin. So today 2 lessons revision I have completed, that is 12 and 13. Okay. Revision 12 and 13. Self-help is the best help, and the one more, which is that the fisherman and the golden fish. All revision I am doing all the revision. So from page number 28 to 40 in one video you will see 2 revision. So you just go through the revision and write everything for 2 times. Write for 2 times and learn by heart. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.